Hey guys, it's Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And today we'll make the super cool idea or DIY for trick-or-treating on Halloween. So stay and watch the video because the DIY begins now. Mix some liquid glue of any brand with a little bit of water. Blow a balloon of the size that you want. Mine's approximately 5 inches. Tie a knot and then tie it with a string or a piece of yarn or ribbon. With a brush or sponge, add a little bit of your glue mix to the balloon. Cut some paper napkin squares or rectangles and glue them as well. And to secure them well, cover them with your glue mix. Cover the entire balloon with 3 layers of napkin squares and let it dry in between each layer. And once dry, it's ready to paint and decorate. I'm going to paint the eye with green paint, but you can use any color that you like. And to make it more realistic, add some lime green. Then with yellow and orange paint, make some small lines to make it a little bit more detailed. And right in the center, paint a black circle. And give it some shine with white. And with some red acrylic paint, draw the little veins that the eyes have. Let it dry, and once dry, cut a small part of the balloon and pull it. And cut a big hole so you can fill the entire eye with lots of candy. I filled it with lollipops and chocolate and a goodie bag from a YouTube channel called JMax1. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can go on and see the super cool channel. Once the eye is filled, add some of your glue mixture and glue a paper napkin circle and then just let it dry. Cut a rectangle from a paper napkin, fold it in half and then fold it again. Make another 2 folds like these, one big and one small. Now cut without cutting the center. Grab the center and twist it. Open the small ends. Add a little bit of your glue mixture. And glue it to the back of the eyeball. Let it dry and then paint it with red paint to make it look like the bloody nerves. And once ready, the eyeballs will look like this. These are perfect for a candy table, to gift them as goodie bags or goodie eyeballs in your Halloween parties, or just simply use them as decoration. You can make them in different sizes and colors and fill them with whatever you want, with candy, with toys, with crayons, with stickers, with anything you like. The important thing is that you have fun making them. And if you make this incredible and frightening DIY, share it on my Instagram with the hashtag SugarPinkDIY. I hope you make them. Comment which eyeball you like the most, the green, the pink, or the yellow, and see you in my next video for more ideas. Bye guys!